All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. People, thank you very much for joining me. I want to say I really appreciate everyone who took the time out to hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button. I want you guys to continue to do that and show me that much support because I've been doing a lot of work. But in the same sense, I really appreciate that you guys are here, listen to this video, and if you have not as yet, just hit that like button and also subscribe. It's definitely also Father's Day, and I want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I do know I didn't even want to interrupt you guys on Sunday because I'm quite sure that you're being pampered by the son or the daughter, and also by the wife or the spouse. But in the same sense, happy Father's Day, and thank you for all those who actually wish me that as well. But in the same sense, thank you very much people for tuning in. Please hit the like button and also smash it. So we have big news. We have big news for you guys today. So Dalton Wint has he came out and definitely said that Michail Antonio will be a part of the campaign, the Gold Cup campaign fixtures coming this July. It is imperative that we understand where it's coming from. So I want to definitely bring you guys the news and information, and also where that information is coming from. So this is coming from the Sunday Gleaner, written and by interview done with Mr. Self, and so it's not coming from my mouth. I'm not the one telling you guys. This is coming from Dalton Wint, and if we don't want to believe them, or if we don't want to trust these guys, we still have to hope that they stick by their word. Now, one of the reasons that now we have a 23-man squad which to be selected from, and automatically we have now identified that there's a few more spots in which are totally out. So we know the likes of Andre Blake, Leon Bailey. Now we know that Michail Antonio has confirmed his spot. So Andre Blake, Leon Bailey, these guys' spots are already put down and rested in that particular area, and it's good to go. Now the likes of Michail Antonio has joined those guys according to Mr. Dalton Wint. So let me read the article so you guys can get a better understanding of what is being said and what's happening. So guys, the Jamaica Football Federation General Secretary Dalton Wint says he is confident West Ham United striker Michail Antonio will be ready to play if selected for the CONCACAF Gold Cup. And you already know that he's in the provincial list. Antonio was named to a provincial list of players from which head coach Theodore Whitmore will select his final 23-man roster for the tournament. The full list for all participating team was released by CONCACAF yesterday, and we all know that everyone is creating so much noise about the team that has been released. Now, Antonio agreed to play for Jamaica in March. That's a few months ago. But Wint says that the JFF is still in need of important information from him, but he expects that it will be obtained by next week, which should be this week, I believe. Significant work. Michail has done some significant. So that's significant work. That's what they're saying. Michail has done some significant work on his documents, which means that there's some massive improvement that has been put in place, so that that's confident. That's great news. Something that we can look forward to. When told, that's what he told the Sunday Gleaner. As I said, you guys can go and check the Sunday Gleaner. I'm not quoting it from myself. We are awaiting just some minor people information that needs to be provided, and when those documents will be sent over to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So that's something that we've been calling out for to get the ministers, and the governing bodies involved. So it seems as if they are now involved. It is very interesting, but only having names won't cut it, he said. We want to get our documentation firstly. Football isn't only on the field. So for those 60 players being talked about, things have to be put in place so they can concentrate on play on the field. Concentrate and play on the field. Wint said that the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, has provided support in its effort to fast track the process, and is optimistic that Antonio and other players will be secured for selection. So the likes of Andre Gray, which questions were being asked, Wes Arden, questions were being asked, Ethan Pinnock, questions were being asked. I think now this confirms that the JFF is in good stead that these documents will go over the line. The mere fact Passport and Immigration Agency is now involved, that, and also the Minister of Affairs is now involved, which means that these documents will be expedited on a fast track level, and that is very, very good. So he further said that if Antonio's information is correct, I think we will be able to get it done. That's what he said. We have been getting support from PICA as you know, passport immigration citizenship as agency, and we are very optimistic that we have these players available, but the final decision rests with the coach. So it depends on if Tapa really want to use these players in the team. So what Mr. Wint is saying is that they are getting all the players available. So the end game would be on Mr. Whitmore if he select those players. So what JFF is doing right now is they're taking the ball out of their court. That's exactly what they're doing. They're taking the ball out of their court, throwing it into Mr. Whitmore's court, and see what he's gonna do with it. So literally, JFF is just taking the pressure off their back with the fans and putting it on Theodore Whitmore's back. And so that's a smart way to articulate himself. So he's literally saying that we have done everything to get you all the players we have in the pool as possible. We didn't get certain players, but guess what? We got the tools. We give you all the resources now. We're getting you the tools for you to get the job done. So it is now over to you. So this is what they did. They passed the ball into Theodore Whitmore's court. So let's see what about that. So Jamaica starts the Gold Cup with a match against Suriname in Group C. A very highly talked about game on Monday, July the 12th. The Reggae Boyz have played back-to-back Gold Cup finals in 2015, 2017, and reached the semifinals in 2019. So that's like in the past 6 years, we have been into 2 finals and 1 semifinals. But if you should look at it, 2015 first final, then 2017 second final, and then now 2019 semifinal. So we think we need a bit of work there. Hopefully it's not a decline. We need a bit of work there. So this is what these players are now that are coming in now are will be able to help us do. Get us over that line. That's the importance. Get us over that line. So we can now confirm that Michail Antonio has now solidified himself inside of the Gold Cup squad, and that is what that is what Dalton Wint said. Because if Theodore Whitmore come out and said that he's selecting a 23-man squad, right? And Mr. Wint said Michail Antonio will be a part of that 23-man squad. So basically, they're saying that it doesn't matter what you want to say, no man. You will get this, you will put this man in the squad once we sort out the documentation. That's also a way to look at it. That's definitely also a way to look at it. So that's very good news. Honestly, that is very, very good news, and it's big news actually. It's big news. It means that things are being done, being fast-tracked to put things in place that we know exactly what is going to happen. And it's important for us as fans to know exactly what is happening. And now, guess what? We know. And Mr. Wint came out in confidence, in being concise as well, very, very cognitive in what he's saying. And he says that this is what we're doing. This is what is happening right now. So he also, you guys should realize that he mentioned 2 agencies, Minister of Foreign Affairs, 2 categories, Minister of Foreign Affairs, which is where we should have been looking a long time now, and also PICA, another area that we should be looking at as well. So once these 2 areas combine, we know that documentations will be expedited in the fastest way and the quickest sense. So that is something that we should look for. So people, thank you very much for tuning in. I won't go any further because I don't want to disrupt you guys Sunday evening. We can talk more on it when the day has passed, because I do know that most of the persons that are watching this channel are fathers, and all those who are not fathers as yet, your time will come. It doesn't matter. Just be confident, stay confident, and still you have minister fathers out there doing a great job as well. So people, Military Guna TV people, enjoy your Sunday evening, and let's see how this one works out. Military Guna, how much time am I going to close the show? But people, great news, and something that everyone is looking forward to. Big news, and guess what? I am out.